through, this is Bert, and he's taking a nap while I sort through my backpacking gear for a 6-day Grand Canyon backcountry trip with my hubby. I want to see what's going on here on the packing table. I've got a lot of cool things, and I have a couple new things I'm trying out, like these hip belts from Gossamer Gear for easy access to stuff like SPF stuff, hand gel, garbage bag. I've been getting blisters lately, so I'm bringing this miniature first aid kit. And this is my phone case. I'm also trying this out. And in here, actually, I have to look at this later today. This is the attachment, hands-free attachment for my umbrella. This is also Gossamer Gear, lightweight. And the reason that I got that is because we are going to Clear Creek, and that's a 10-mile crossing. I don't know what's going on with my focus. Okay. And another thing I'm trying out is a front strap for a water bottle with a hockey straw. So this is just a smart water bottle. And I'm gonna figure that out this afternoon. Sounds like I'm gonna be busy. Okay, computer stays. This also happens to be my office. I'm bringing my hiking poles. These are not lightweight, but that's okay. Good cork handles, my favorite type. This is as wide of a brimmed hat as I could find, and a strap to keep it on. Here is my pack towel. A little bit of a toiletries kit and rechargeable headlamp, which is one of my favorites, with a red light option. This is my first aid kit, and I recently, it is a little kind of blimpy, it's kind of puffy, but I recently took a survival med online asynchronous course, and it was perfect for backcountry wilderness first aid. So it recommended a ton of great things to bring along, so we're bringing them. Next here is our Sawyer Squeeze, gonna give that a try. And our Noon tablets for electrolytes. This is something new I'm trying also. This year, I'm going to weigh everything because I'm trying to get 15 to 20% of my body weight in terms of what I'm going to carry on my pack. So we're looking at maybe 19 to 26 pounds. So I'm going to have to weigh everything. And this here's my liner. It's a cozy liner for my sleeping bag. It's kind of heavy, but I believe the lows are going to be in the 50s or so. This here is my clothing pile. Right now my clothes weigh 46 ounces. All this stuff is my hubby stuff, so he's gonna be sorting through too. And this is our food box. We're gonna add a little bit more into that yet, and then divvy it up between the two of us. So thanks for tuning in. See you on the trail.